Welcome back! You can play any animal school day again. Just tap on the animal picture. To earn stickers for Bubble Puppy's doghouse, play any of the games on their own. Tortoise! Another tortoise school day. Lots of animals are different, but animals can be alike too. Let's think about it. This animal is a tortoise. A tortoise moves very slowly and has 4 legs. Do you see other animals that have 4 legs? Drag them into the big bubble in the middle. Gecko. Alligator.
4-legged friends? That's a lot of socks.
Hey Molly, where do cows like to eat popcorn? I'm not sure.
Where do cows like to eat popcorn?
At the movies!
The movies? That's silly. Another customer. How can I help you today?
Hey, I'm looking for a snack for my hungry desert tortoise.
You've certainly come to the right place. I've got just the thing. Any of these snacks would be perfect for your tortoise with cacti. Animal snack time! Desert tortoises love to eat cactus. Give the desert tortoise the cactus. Drop the food over to him. Super snack collecting. Wowzers, watch out! These aren't animal treats. Something must be wrong with the machine. I'm on it. Great job! Way to go! Still working on it. These treats aren't what the customer ordered. Fantastic! All right! Aha! Fixed it! The machine is back in business. Fantastic animal feeding! You gave all the snacks to the tortoise. Another satisfied customer. Thanks for coming to my animal snack shop.
Excuse me, what time is it?
It's time for lunch!
First open Goby's lunchbox. Nice work! Now open Oona's lunchbox. Spectacular! And now let's open Nicely Done!
I've got spaghetti. Yum! What did you get for lunch, Oona?
I've got tortellini. What did you get, Nonny?
I got a turtellini.
That's silly!
And this is our friend, Baby Desert Tortoise. Baby Desert Tortoise is lost and needs our help getting home to its family.
Will you help us bring this baby home in our animobile? Fantastic! This baby tortoise lives in the desert. Most deserts are very hot and dry places, with sand gathered into big piles called dunes. Let's go! We've got to bring this baby animal home. Watch out for the rocks. Swipe the rocks to flick them out of the way. Yes, nice lane changing. Bubble boost, totally!
Baby tortoise lives in the desert.
You've got it! Most deserts are very hot and dry. We made it to a different road. Now we need to swipe the car left and right. Let's go! Crickets, watch out! Swipe to flick them out of the way. Oh, great! Bubble boost! Yes, nice lane changing. Animal tracks up ahead. Let's follow them. Let's go! We've got to bring this baby animal home.
Yes! Nice lane changing.
Bubble boost, totally! Berries, watch out! Swipe to flick them out of the way.
Baby tortoise lives in the desert.
That's the one!
Only a few plants, like the cactus, can grow in the desert. We're here! We made it all the way to the desert.
And look, there's baby tortoise's mother.
We helped the baby animal get home.
Fantastic animal helping!
Wow! You finished the tortoise school day again! Swim-sational! To earn a goldfish star, tap an animal picture. To earn stickers for Bubble Puppy's doghouse, play any of the games on their own.